About National Qualifier Test. It is a multi-level assessment, and to generate an associated score, you need competence on the core cognitive process, industry-specific knowledge, and specialization skills also you need. NQT score consists 3 scores: NQT score, industry NQT score, subject NQT score. NQT score is based upon verbal, numerical and reasoning ability, whereas industry NQT score is based upon industry specific dimensions. Subject NQT score is based upon knowledge and ability. So about this test, how can you take this test? You can take this test on online or offline mode, and this score is valid up to 2 years. You can take any entry level role. So who can apply this job? If you are a UG, PG or diploma student, you can apply this job. Or if you are appearing for final year also, then also you can apply for this job. Students with any degree and specialization is needed for this. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience can also apply for this job. NQT is structured as follows. It takes test on verbal ability. It gives 30 minutes for 24 questions. In reasoning ability, 50 minutes for 30 questions. In numerical ability, 40 minutes for 26 questions. Totally, it gives 120 minutes for 80 questions. Moreover, it's just like a journey to your dream job. If you want to write this test, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. You have to register first. Step 2. Select the test mode at home or in center. Step 3. Take the test. Step 4. Get a benchmark score with a validity of 2 years. Step 5. Access unlimited job openings. What are the other opportunity you get from this test? TCS Ion offers remote internships. It means it offers internships from homes, so you can register yourself, select a project and get started. It also offers prep for job. It means it helps students to prepare for different industry recruitment exams. If you have any further questions or if you want to know more about this, you can make a call or leave a message to the respective addresses given here. Finally, if you want any brief information related to this test, please go through FAQs below. First question is, what is National Qualifier Test? It is a general ability test that assesses a candidate in the following areas: verbal ability, numerical ability, and reasoning ability. And the second most thing is, what is industry NQT? It is an assessment, awareness, and understanding of candidates on a specific industry in the following areas called industry structure, operative language practices, regulator environment, specific business and technological trends, competitive landscape. And the third question is, what is subject NQT? It is an assessment candidates based upon their knowledge and ability to mix procedures practices in solving real world problems in the workspace, which is very mandatory for the candidate. And the next question is, how will the NQT score help me in getting a job? Yes, it will surely help you to get a job because it is an assessment based upon your general ability and skills. So it will surely to help you to get a job. And the next FAQ, which is very important, is there any cutoff score or percentage to pass the NQT? There is no cutoff score or pass or fail criteria for this NQT test. It is based upon your assessment only. And the next important question is, how long will my score be valid? Can I take another attempt to improve my NQT scores? Your NQT score is valid up to 2 years from the date of test, and there is no limit for the number of attempts. So you can attempt for any number of times. Thank you. Please support me like this.